Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. Yeah, the fourth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's the Wednesday, August the 7th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, 4-star Sudoku, the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, Jigsaw Sudoku number 40, correction 9049. 9049. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits this one has. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, so I don't think it's a 4 stars, but it's indicated with 4 stars by the publisher. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? See here, one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? See, only one triple box contains the 1, the 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Here another triple box. Cannot fill this yet. But the inside box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. The inside box, well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. More quadra box, triple boxes. No, how about quadra boxes? I see only one quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Yeah, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. This box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1, and this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes, and the 2 goes there. Almost made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, no 5 in the triple box, of course. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 4, 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Think. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. So I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 4. That box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 2 because it could be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And it cannot be a 5 because in the quadruple box there are no boxes with 5 written in it. Alright. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Think. Come on. Well. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 4 should be here. 5 should be there also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Overlooked. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Come on. This box can be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So, and that box can be a 2. So the only place level 2 should be here then. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Come on. Well. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 numbers left, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And that means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. Come on. 1. This box can be... Oh, well. Need to wait. Come on. Well. This box can be 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes with 3, we have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left, 1 number's 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Yeah, 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3 is connected with that box, so 1 and a 3. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box, wait. Need a 4. 4, 3, yeah. I need to wait here, 4, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. 2, 4, 5, 3 and a 1. This box should be, can be 2, can be 4, can be 5, so 3 and a 1. 3 and a 4, 5, so here should be 2 and a 1. Can be 3 or 4, can be 5, so 2 or a 1. How about this one? Can be 3 or 4, can be a 2, can be a 5, should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, should be a 1. 2 or 1, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. I've eliminated here the 2, okay. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, need to wait. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 is supposed to be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box may, no, need to wait. 3 and a 1, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so 3. Okay. Well, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 4 and a 5. This should be also 4 and a 5. Can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, yeah, 4 and 5. How about here? Here can be 3 and more. We have a 3 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1. Well, here can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 here, so this can be 1. This should be the 1. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here, 1 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This is... Wait. Well, 4, 5. Where's the 3? This box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Well. Need a 4 here. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, or there. Well. I'm stuck here. 4 and a 5. Can it be 4? Well, I cannot place the 4 here. No, I need to wait here. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. No 1 here, 1, there 1. No 2 here. 2, 2. Here, give me 2. Here, give me 3. I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. Well. I'm stuck here. What's happening here? This box can be 1, can be 2. Could be a 3. Could be 4. Can be 5. 3 or 4. This box can be 2, can be 3, can be 5. So 1 and 4. This box can be 1, 4, 5. So 2 numbers left. 2 and 3. But what's happening now? I need the pairs here. 4, 5. Yeah. What's happening? Can be 4. 4 should be 1. I cannot place the... Well, I can't place the 4 there. Suppose the 4 should be here. And these cannot be 4. This should be the 4. Then this should be a 1. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. This should be the 5. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. So this should be the 2 and this should be the 3 then. Yeah. This is a solution. Yeah. Yeah. We have 2 solutions, I believe. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4. Double check. No 1 here. Here, come on. Here. 2, 3, 1, 4, 4, 5. Suppose I switch those. This should be a 4. This should be a 5. Yeah. Then this should be, wait. This can be 5. Can this a solution 2, 3, 1, 4? No 5, no 4. 4 should be here, there. This could be also 4. 2, 3, 1. We have several solutions here. Can I believe this? This is a solution. 2, 3, 1, 4. But I can also switch. This can be 2. This can be 2. I can switch this. This could be also a 2. And this can be 4. This can be 3. 2. I need a 1 here. This can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. This should be a 1. So the 3 and a 4 are left. This should be a 4. This should be the 3 then. 3, 4, 2, 1. Well, we have several solutions. That's the first time that I end with this possibilities. Cipher block. This have more solutions. Wow. Please leave a comment if this is true or I saw something totally wrong. But we have several solutions, yeah. I could put the 4 here, I could put the 4 there, then we have several solutions. Anyway, thank you for watching. 19 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give it 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.